this month's One Class at a Time Award.
Hey boys and girls, look who's here.
Tracy Reece teaches kindergarten at Lawton Chiles Elementary in Gainesville.
I really love this age, that 5 to 6 year old age group.
Miss Reece describes her teaching style as loving, firm, and consistent. She knows it takes this approach to be a good kindergarten teacher, along with hands-on fun.
Give yourself a pound now.
Awesome. And lots of patience.
There's no instant gratification in kindergarten, so sometimes you go all year and it's like, am I making a difference? Am I getting through? But when the light bulb comes on, it's magical.
Miss Reece has been at Chiles for 15 years. She says it's the school's community that keeps her coming back year after year.
Hey! Say yay, Miss Reece!
If you need something and you send out an email or a text through the school, somebody's going to step up and help you. And that even goes for the parents too. Like, I can reach out to parents and they're like, what do you need? And they're like, we've got this.
Principal Cory Tomlinson says Miss Reece makes learning fun while keeping high expectations.
Miss Tracey Reece is she's what you think a kindergarten teacher is. She is one that makes her classroom engaging with her students and shows the love that any parent would want their child to have as a kindergarten teacher.
If you would like to nominate someone to be the next One Class winner like Miss Reece, visit our website, wcjb.com/oneclassatatime. Reporting in Gainesville, Kristen Chase, TV 20 News.